The Indian National Autocross 1, the INAC 1 unrestricted class, has absolutely no limit to modifications done to the cars. The open class saw the fastest cars and drivers in the country battling it out on a damp and slippery track. The Indian National Rally Championship drivers put the gloves on and the rally cars were out on track, battling for the top spot. Tarun Reddy, a familiar entrant in the Indian National Rally Championship, was driving the only Arctic camo-wrapped Volkswagen Polo in the country. The car, prepared by Bros Racing, was very quick. Tarun Reddy maximized the use of the hydraulic handbrake, but still was compromised by running a gearbox not suited for the autocross format. Losing part of his front bumper, he crossed the finish line, clocking a time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Sagar was the only driver driving the first 1-liter turbocharged Volkswagen Polo in the country to be driven in the autocross. Looked quite promising. Sagar's run was quick but compromised because he was running on stock suspension and lack of limited slip differential did not help as well. Bouncing around the track set a timing of 2 minutes 31 seconds and 6/10. Ashwin Reddy, former runner-up Indian National Rally champion, sharing the same car with his brother Tarun Reddy, clocked of 2 minutes 32 seconds and 6/10. Pragati Gowda is one of the fastest female drivers in India today. The car donned with the grand red and white famous MRF livery, Pragati Gowda drives for Team MRF Tyres India in the Indian National Rally Championship. Pragati Gowda had a clean and controlled drive on both laps and clocked a time of just over 2 minutes 29 seconds. Rupesh BC was driving one of the fastest naturally aspirated Volkswagen Polos in the country. Built by Artec Motorsports, his brother works for Toyota Gazoo Racing World Rally Team, and his experience led to building one of the fastest Volkswagen Polos in the country. The phenomenal suspension setup on the car allowed Rupesh to clock a very fast time of 2 minutes 24 seconds. Youngster Jahan Singh Gill debuted very recently at the Pune Autocross. This was his second event driving for Chetan Shivram Motorsport. He was driving a brand new Volkswagen Polo prepared by Volkswagen Motorsports India. He drove absolutely flat out in the treacherous conditions. With zero momentum loss, he set a blisteringly quick time of 2 minutes 22 seconds. Jahan Singh Gill, the youngster from Chandigarh, left everyone in awe and set the fastest timing. Rupesh BC, in his very quick car prepared by Artec Motorsports, was P2. Pragati Gowda, driving for Team MRF Tyres India, firmly secured P3, beating the men to the podium, followed by Tarun Reddy, Sagar and Ashwin Reddy.